Hello everyone. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Sa mga OFWs around the world, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ngayon dito sa Middle East, magandang gabi. It's already 10:32 in the evening. Ano nasa Pilipinas, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas. It's already 3:32 in the morning. So, as usual, we are discussing about the Philippine stock market. So we will check today what is the movement of the PCI today. Ano po yung price movement ng PCI. But disclaimer that this discussion is not intended for buying. There is no recommendation for buying and selling and holding your position. This depends on your trading strategy. So every traders have different strategy in buying shares and selling shares. So we know already that in the stock market there is the daily traders, swing traders, and long-term investors. So it's depend on the strategy that you have. But for me, because I have a job, I I belong to the swing traders. So because I don't have time to monitor the market for 8 hours or up to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So that's why I am using this as a swing trader. So let's go to the chart. We will see the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Kung ano po yung price movement ni PCI ngayon. So, shout out to Chrisman Nabolag. Thank you Doy for your support. And thank you very much. Kumusta po kayo din sa Taiwan? Magandang I think it's already 3:35 in the morning. So, maraming salamat po, Chrisman Nabolag. Very supportive Nipio. No? So today we'll go to the PCI first. So we will see the price movement of the PCI today. Because yesterday it is down, but now we will see what happened today. If our PCI continue going down or there is a recovery. So let's go to the chart. So this is the chart of the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Today there is a foreign selling of 1.31 billion. So there are a lot of current ceiling today for a huge volume, 1.31 billion. So we saw the chart of the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So we are discussing this since previous weeks that the price movement of ACI is inside the channel, but it is broken down. The channel is broken down. So now the current level of ACI is below the exponential moving averages and exponential moving average 50. So we know already that if ever any prices or level uh, the PCI below these two moving averages, we call it as a trend adjustment. So for me, my point of view for PCI, there is a possibility that the level of PCI will go down in this horizontal support, this line. So for now, we need to watch this support line if there's a bounce, because still the candle today is very candle. No? So I'm thinking that there is a recovery. There's a bounce of the price in the morning because it is going up. No? But after the closing, there is the down of 0.17%. So our next area we need to watch for PCI is in this horizontal support line below. So we need to see if there's a bounce. It is also coinciding with the exponential moving average 200, this green line. So we need to see, no? And we're hoping that there's a bounce in this area. Whatever the level of PCI will go down on this area. Because if ever this horizontal support and break the PCI, of course, the level will go below all the four exponential moving averages. So we call it as weak trend. So it is the start of the downtrend. So there are how many days that the level of PCI is going down. So we're hoping that there's a bounce on this area, on this horizontal line. This is the support line. Okay, we need to watch this line because if there is no bounce in this MA20, MA200, of course, it will be down to this all exponential moving averages, so it will become a downtrend. So, my thoughts for PCI, sana mag-hold yung level ni PCI in the horizontal support below. Thank you for watching. Golden Gary. He is from Switzerland. And to Prisma Bola, he is from Taiwan. Thank you very much for your support. So I hope we learned something about this discussion. The Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So our market now, our Philippine stock market is going down. So there are how many days now? Almost 5 days. The level of PCI is going down from this bottom line of the channel. So I hope there's a recovery and there's a bounce in the green line. This is the exponential moving average 200. So this is the last moving average we need to watch. So today there is a request here for my insight. We'll see the Wlcon, FLI, Hlcm, D2, which is our third telco, no? D2, C, PXP, and Wholesome. Thank you, Sister Golden Gary. Thank you very much. So we will go to the first step. So as I said, this review is not, there's no recommendation for buying. So we are here to study the support and resistance. Because in the stock market, support and resistance is very much important. We know that this resistance, this is the area where the seller is waiting. So if ever there is amount of the stock of the price going up to the resistance, we need to be aware because if it is in the resistance level, there is a possibility of retracement because that area is the area of the seller. So if you see here in the chart of PCI, this area here, this area we call it as resistance. Why? Because whenever the level of PCI will reach on this area, there is a rejection. So the price is going down. The same here, the level is going and reaching on this area, there is a retracement. So this area we call it as resistance area. So avoid buy shares of a stock if the level or the price in the resistance area because there's a possibility that the price will going down or going retracement. So this is the resistance. So the support, this is the support, this area. When the price bouncing on this line, there is a bounce going up. And when there is rejected by the seller, going down again, and the buyer is here, the support. We call this line as support. Because when the price reaches in this area, the buyer pushes it going up. And after reaching this resistance area, the seller pushes it down. So again, we need to watch this area if there is a bounce. So this area, there's a bounce of the PCI and reaching going up to this level. Again, it is rejected. But last January 25, this area, the bottom line of the channel, there is no bounce. So it means the bottom line of the channel and a breakdown. So if na breakdown yan, of course, the winner is the the seller. So now the buyer is no longer aggressive. So the buyer pushed it down. So now it is going down up to 6,851.84 level. So our next line of support we need to watch is this horizontal support below and the exponential moving average 200. Because if ever this exponential moving average 200 and break the PCI, then it is the time we call it as a downtrend. So weak trend approaching. Shout out to Sister Ditch's Live in Germany. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much. No? Siguro malamig na din sa Germany and also in the Switzerland. Malamig na rin. So let's start to the first request. And our first request here is Wlcon. No? This is Wlcon, the pack. So you know really this company, no? one company in the Philippines, Wlcon Japan. So now if you see here, this area is the resistant area because price reaching this area, break this incline support, incline resistance rather, the price will going up. Okay, so it means the winner between this battle is the buyer. So the buyer forced the price going up and reaching this area. Now it is rejected again because this area is now become resistant. When the price reaching it down, force the price going down, the seller force it down, there is a bounce on this area. So there's two times now. There is a bounce in this horizontal support and this inclined support. So as you know, I am always putting a inclined support. This is my reference. If ever the price will break on this inclined support, of course, if I have a position down, I will take up some of my profit. But if you don't have any position, or if you have position in the bottom here, for me, just monitor if this incline support ay ma-break ni Wlcon. Because kung ma-break yan, of course, the price will going down to this line, this horizontal support. But it's better that this incline support ay mag-hold. And if the price will going up again in this blue line, which is the exponential moving average 20, then it's good because if that has happened, kung mangyayari yan, there is a possibility that this resistant line, this horizontal resistant line, ay ma-break ni Wlcon. Okay, provided that this incline support ay hindi ma-break ni Wlcon. When the price will stay above on this area, especially the price will go up again on this blue line. As I said, this is exponential moving average 20. So if the price will go up again on that line, and this incline support is still hold, there is a possibility that this horizontal resistant line above this line ay ma-break ni Wlcon. But if ever this incline support ay ma-break, of course, this is the next support we need to watch, this horizontal support area. So, but if this incline support ay ma-break, of course, the momentum will become slowly weak. So it's better you will stay above this incline support and this exponential moving average 50, this red line. So just monitor Wlcon. For me, if this incline support and hindi ma-break, then it's good. And if ever this incline support and ma-break, we need to watch this horizontal support below na hindi ma-break ni Wlcon. Because kung ma-break yan, of course, it will go down below AME 50, this red line. So it will become a trend-in adjustment. So this is my thoughts for Wlcon. Now is the ADX is below 25, but RSI is still above 50. But MACD is trying to curve it up. No? So this is my only thought for Wlcon. I need to see if this incline support I did my break the Wlcon. Thank you for watching. Shout out to Bonji Texas Marcus and Ems TV Barbosa. Thank you for your support. And to Chris Minabula, This is Life, Golden Giri, thank you very much for your support. So now let's go to the next one. This is the company FLI. We know that this company This is Phil Invest. Phil Invest Land Incorporation. Shout out to Francis Amparo and Kate Jason, to Jean-Marc Ching and Rap Levin Morano and Maynard Castro, and A.K. Bordado and Christian uh, Earl Amlung, and to Manny Davis and Ivan Dave Iwakeri, and Cindy Marius and Dave Mayapan, and Patricia Shasa. Thank you very much for your support. So now let's go to the next one. This company is FLI. To Chris Minabulag, thank you, Doy. And Bonzi Texas Macas from USA. Thank you for your support. And Stevie Barbosa here in Saudi. And this is live in Germany. Thank you very much. And Golden Giri and Switzerland. Thank you for your support. Now let's go to the FLI. Now, if you see the price of FLI, it is below exponential moving average 20, this blue line. Now he is above the exponential moving average 50. So we need to ask if there's a bounce here, and if the price will go up again above on this exponential moving average 20, this blue line, then it is good because the possibility this horizontal resistance line above ay mag-break ni FLI. But if ever hindi siya babalik din sa may above the blue line, then wait for another opportunity. If the price will go go sideways, so we will watch if the price will go up above again this exponential moving average 20. So now we will draw the incline. Kung magawa tayo ng incline resistance, you can draw this one, draw like and connect all the high. Now this is the incline resistance now. So it means the area is the seller area. So my opinion for this one, if I will draw in horizontal support, for example in this area, horizontal resistance, now it is below in this area. So I can push it a little bit. You can push it down. Okay. Now the current price of FLI is below on this line. So we need to watch that this incline support and a break the FLI, especially if we will go up above on this horizontal resistance, this line. So if ever the price will go up in this line, then if there is accumulation in this area, this is the time we need to watch if there is a bullish pattern. But for now, still he is below on this incline resistance. So if ever the price will go and there is a rejection again on that resistance, and again it will go down like this, then keep away muna because this pattern is a bearish pattern. So there's a possibility that this horizontal support ay mag-break ni FLI. So this is my thoughts for FLI. If this is the movement of FLI going to this resistance and there is a rejection, going to this support, then you need to take care of buying the shares because this will become a bearish pattern. Just wait if there is a breakout of this incline resistance, especially if we will go up above on this horizontal line. So, but for now, wait another opportunity for FLI. Thank you, Sister This is Life, sa mga paharan dyan. No? Thank you to Bonji Texas Macas, M. Stevie Barbosa, and Chris Minabulag, and to Golden Gary. Thank you. And to Henry Six Abon Italia, and Jonathan Maho, and Coach Barquez in Canada. Thank you. And El Espiritu, and Gary Carmona, and Merlin Fania in Hong Kong. Thank you very much also. and to Engineer Ryan Lasaka and Engineer Edwin Bilan. Now, let's go to the next one, is EPL. So EPL, we need to see the price movement of EPL. So this is the price movement of EPL. It is down by 19.76%. So we don't want to be aggressive buying shares, especially on this kind of retracement. We need to wait if there is a bullish pattern created. But if you see here in the daily chart, still you cannot see bullish pattern. Just reduced the time frame into 1 hour time frame. If you are a swing trader, reduce it to 1 hour time frame, and we will see. We reduce it to 1 hour time frame and see what happened in the lower time frame, in the hourly time frame. Now, if you see here, this line now is the resistance line, and this line now is the support, because here it is resistance, and now when the price visited this area, it will become support. For me, if this line ay hindi mag-hold yung price ni APL, of course, we need to watch this mid 200 in the hourly time frame if there is a bounce. If ever there is a bounce, try to watch this incline, this horizontal resistance if there is no rejection. If ever there is a rejection, of course you need to be aware because the price will going back. And possible, they will reach on this horizontal support below this line. So, for me, if I don't have any position for APL, I need to wait if there is a bounce in the 200 in the hourly time frame. And if there is a bounce, if it is rejected on this horizontal resistance, then of course you need to out, no? Because the possibility the price will increase again, and possibly will reach on this line. So even in the hourly time frame, you did not see any bullish pattern. So you need to wait if there is a bullish pattern. You need to average down, wait if there is a bullish pattern. Don't average down if there is no signal for reversal. Because if ever the price will going down again, of course you will keep going down, average down and average down. So wait if there is a bullish pattern in the hourly time frame, or it's up to you if you are a daily trader, so you can use 5-minute chart. But if you are a swing trader, use a daily chart, weekly chart, and hourly chart. So even here in the daily time frame, you did not see any bullish pattern. Don't buy, average down, or buy if there is no bullish pattern. Okay, so this is my only advice, that we don't want to be aggressive in buying, especially this kind of retracement. Wait if there is a bullish pattern. If there is a bullish pattern, then this is the time you need to add your position. This is my opinion only, but it's up to you, to all the traders. No? Their risk management, we have different risk management. But for my idea, I will wait if there is a bullish pattern. This is my plan in every trades. If I am buying in the top and the price is going down, I will not add any of my position if I do not see any bullish pattern, because there's a possibility that the price will going down again. So we need to let the price going up and accumulate, or accumulation, create a bullish pattern, then this is the time I need to enter. Okay, this is only my advice, but it's up to the traders. So this is my strategy, especially if I buy it in the top. I will not engage at any position if I did not see any bullish pattern. Okay, because if the price will go down in this red line, exponential moving average 50, there's a possibility that there's another trend adjustment. Now he's above in the MA50, it's okay. It's still okay, but wait if there is a bullish pattern. This is my only advice, especially to the people who buy it in the top. So we need to be careful in buying shares, adding shares, if you do not see any reversal or bullish pattern. Okay, because if there is a bullish pattern, of course, there is a possibility the price will going up. But for now, for me, I will wait another opportunity if there is a bullish pattern created. So thank you for watching Chris Minabulag and this is live to Sister Bondi Texas and MSTV Barbosa and to Golden Gary. Thank you very much to Diane Cortez and Eric Rimulano. Thank you to Gilbert Austria and Dennis Kamaya and James Nicole Mariano and Efren Avila, Engineer Efren Avila. Thank you very much. To Engineer Richard Lorono also, no? And Engineer Edwin Vergara. Thank you very much. Now the third one, the fourth one is IMI. IMI. So you'll see the price movement of IMI. So this is the good thing for in the stock market. If ever you buy here in the bottom, around it is 6 pesos per share, but now the price is still going 3 pesos per share. So of course, if you buy in the bottom, you will be happy. Okay, you are very happy, no? Because you buy it in the bottom. But if you buy it here in the top, of course, you have a doubt. Maybe the price will going down, maybe the price will go in decreasement because you buy it in the top. Okay, lesson learned. Always buy it in the bottom. Position it in the bottom. Always buy in the bottom, especially here. There is a pattern created on this area. Okay, and you see that there is a pattern here created. So if I am the one, I will position inside on this area, provided that this incline support hindi break down. If ever there is a breakdown, I will go out immediately. Okay, but if ever the price is continue inside on this symmetrical triangle, I will stay there. Okay, I will wait if there's a breakout going up. It's okay. I'm lucky, no? If there is a breakout going up. If this incline resistance. But if ever this incline support and a break, this is the time you need to alert and go exit immediately. Okay? Because how much the length of this, the height of this. So now the price is breaking this resistance. Now you see the height of this price movement is more than this height. So of course, if you are positioning in this area, of course you have a profit now of 34% or around 35%. So this is my advice to all of the traders. You need to be aware that don't buy any shares if ever the stock is going up, because if it is going up, there is a possibility that the price will going down, especially if it is in overbought. So you see here, RSI now is 78. If the RSI is more than 70, it is likely overbought. And if it is more than 80, it is very overbought. So avoid buying shares if the RSI is in overbought. You see here, the price is going up, but the volume is going down. So you need to be aware on this. If I am the one, I will not buy IMI now. I will wait if there is accumulation in this area. And if there is a breakout of this 52-week high, this red line, after the breakout and there is a pullback, this is the time I need to watch if there is accumulation or there is a bounce on this 52-week high line. But for now, it is not advisable for me to buy IMI. Okay, as a swing trader, I will not gamble to buy it in the high price, and I have no time to watch the market. I have a work, and suddenly when I come back home, the price is going down. So, lesson learned, don't buy the stock if it is going up already. Position on the area, here, this area. This is the area you need to be here. You need to position this area. This is the area, this is the right area you need to be get inside. Because you have a one option only, you have only one line to monitor, this incline support. If this incline support I may break, then you go outside. Go outside immediately. But if this incline support still mag-hold, then hold your position. Just relax and hold your position. Wait at what happened the next price moment. So just like here, it is the resistance ay na-break po ni IMI. So of course, you have a gain. For now, for me, this is not the time to buy for IMI. Wait for another accumulation of the price. So next one is dito. So we need to see dito, no? So this dito, CME Holding Corporation, this is the third telco of the Philippines. So there are two telcos now. We have Globe and we have PLDT. So now this two telco, we have another third telco. This is the third telco, newly third telco of the Philippines. But imagine if you buy here in the bottom line, of course you have a big profit. So you buy here around 1 peso. Of course now it is 11.92. You buy 50,000 share. During the price, it is 1 peso share. So of course your capital is 50,000 pesos. And now it's 11. So you have a gain of 10,000. Of course, you have a lot of profit if you buy it in the 1 peso area. Again, is another symmetrical triangle created by D2. So now the price is near resistance. The price now in near the resistance, place check because this is in the resistance line. Wait, the price will fall back again on this inclined support. So if this inclined support for me hindi ma-break, then it's good. We need to watch only that this inclined support ay hindi ma-break ni dito. Because kung ma-break yan, of course, the price will going down. What is the height of this symmetrical triangle? This is also the height going down. Now for me, if you have a position now for dito, especially if you buy here near the support area, then hold it. Wait if there is a breakout of this inclined support. If ever this inclined resistance ay ma-break, then it's good. Because what is the height of this bottom and upper line of this symmetrical triangle? It is also the same here. Possible it will go up in this area if this inclined support resistance ay ma-break ni dito. But we don't know what happened next. That's why we need to prepare ourselves. We need to have a plan where to cut loss. Okay? If the price is going down to this inclined support, then you need to be aware. Okay? So for me, if you have a position, watch this inclined support na hindi ma-break ni dito semi. Okay, this is my only thoughts for dito semi. So if you have a position, hold if this inclined support ay hindi ma-break ni dito semi. Kasi kung ma-break yan, of course, there is one way it will going down. So for me, this is my thoughts for dito semi. So it's up to you if your style, what your trading style. So, but for me, this is my line of reference line. This line ay hindi ma-break ni dito. So I will hold if this line hindi ma-break. So next one is thank you Chrisman and Bulag, and this is live. And both si Bonji Texas Macas, Golden Gary and M. Stevie Barrosa, thank you very much for your support. So the next one is C. Tingnan natin yung press movement ni Chelsea Logistic Holdings. Si Chelsea, no? Shout out to Engineer Virgilio Magna and Engineer Casisar Lorono, to Engineer Eric Lamontad and Engineer Lorito Corpus. Okay, thank you. And to Engineer Michael Aguetan and Engineer Larry Amogis, thank you very much for your support. Now, if you see the Chelsea now is below all the exponential moving average. So we call this as a downtrend. So now avoid buying stock or shares if the price is, if the condition of this stock is in a downtrend. We call this downtrend because the price is below all these moving averages. This green line 200, exponential moving average is 100, 20, and 50. So currently, Chelsea Logistic Holding is in a downtrend. So if you see here, this line is the minor resistance. So we need to watch that this line ay ma-break ni Chelsea. Kung ma-break yan, watch the 200, this green line, if there is a breakout. If ever there's a rejection, of course, the price will going back to this line. But if ever there is a rejection on this line, of course, the price will going back on this support area. So we need to watch carefully that this horizontal support ay hindi mag-break ni Chelsea Logistic. Kasi kung ma-break yan, we see here, this is the next area we need to see for Chelsea Logistic. Or you can push it up a little bit and put it here. So this is the area now. We'll push it a little bit. So if ever the price of Chelsea ay ma-break itong horizontal support, this line, of course, this is the next line of Chelsea, or maybe in this area. So there's a bounce here, but take note, Chelsea now is in a downtrend. So for me, my advice, if I am the one, we need to see again if the price will go up above all these four moving averages. Be aggressive now for Chelsea unless the price will go up above all the exponential moving averages. So this is only my opinion for Chelsea Logistic. So thank you for watching. I am Stevie Barbosa. So this is my thoughts only for Chelsea. That if ever there is a bounce, check the next resistance line. If there's a rejection, of course, the price will going down to the support area, this line. But take note, as I said, it is now a downtrend. So wait if the price will go up above all these four exponential moving averages. So this is the time we need to watch again if there is a bullish pattern created. But for now, if you want to buy, just a bounce play only. Don't stay there because the current position of Chase's price is in a downtrend. So this is my thoughts for LCC. Wait if the price will go up above all exponential moving averages and there is a bullish pattern created. So this is my thought for C. So the next one is PXP. So we know that PXP is there's a gap in that time. There's a how many days there is a ceiling for CHP. So this is the chart of Felix Petroleum Corporation. So you see there is a big gap here. Okay, there's a gap here. There's a ceiling play here, again selling again. So now the price is going down and now on this level. Okay. Shout out to Engineer Peter Dominic and Engineer Victor Miguel Pinat and Engineer Lorito Purpose. Thank you. To Engineer Joel Galbi and Engineer Mitchell ACAS. No? So now the price is going up and the price is going down. So you see now the price of Felix Petroleum is below all these two moving averages. This AB 20 and AB 50. So we call it as a trend in adjustment. But take note of buying this stock because if ever this horizontal support and a break in PXP, this is the next support we need to watch near the exponential moving average 200. So again, don't be aggressive now. Wait if there is a bullish pattern for PXP especially the price will going up again above all the exponential moving averages. So, but if you're trying to buy it, just watch here in the image 200 if there's a bounce, but it is only a bounce play. Okay, if we draw a line, okay, we will try to draw a line here as your resistant line. So this is the resistant line now of PXP. So we need to break this incline resistant para babalik siya dito sa may taas ng all exponential moving averages. So but for now, still he is inside or below this incline resistance. So just wait for another opportunity for PXP. If you have a bounce here, if there's a bounce, only bounce play only. Don't stay how many months here because if ever it is horizontal support and a break, of course, this is the next support we need to watch. But for me, I will wait if there is a breakout of this incline resistance and the price will go up above all exponential moving averages and it will create a bullish pattern. So this is the time I need to watch for PXP price movement. But for now, iwas muna ako ni PXP. I need to wait if there is a breakout of this incline resistance. So if you want to play, just play it by bounce play only, but don't stay there for a long time unless this incline resistance and break ni PXP. So this is only my idea for PXP. But as I said, it's depend on your trading strategy. So thank you very much to MC Viewer Boss and Chrisman Bolag and this is live to Bonji Texas Macas. Now I have the last one. I have a Hlcm. Check out to Carlo Dampel, Ronald Ponsalan, Saldo de la Pina, Rosalito Gianen, and Krishna Pasadsya, and Rowan Nolan Dimelio. Thank you very much for your support. And to my building trade crew, no? So, shout out to you, all of you, no? My building trade crew, Patricio Santiago, Islam Udin Toyib Ali, and Tariq Abdullah Sheikh, and Gulpam Jabbar Bafari, and to Mr. Suhail. Thank you very much. Now, this is the last stock that we need to discuss. This is the Hlcm Philippines. So this is the last analysis that we need to watch this incline support. Now, if you see here, the incline support and a break ni Hlcm. So now for me, if ever the price will go up above on this horizontal support, then it is good. And we need to wait in this area. Okay? But if ever the price will not break this resistance line, this horizontal resistance, of course the price will going down on this area. So now wait for another opportunity for Hlcm. If the price will go up above on this line and create a sideways movement and the price will go up above exponential moving average 20. But for now, don't be aggressive. Wait if the price will go up above exponential moving average 20, especially if the price will go up again above on this incline support, because this is become an incline resistance. So if ever the price will go up above on this incline support, and then the price will going up above all the exponential moving averages 100, 50, and 20, then this is the time we need to see for the price movement of Hlcm. But for now, wait another opportunity. Iwas-iwas muna kasi yung price na yun ay nasa below na sa may incline support. But there's a possibility that the price will go up. But wait, if the price will go up in the horizontal support line. So this is my discussion for today. I hope you learned something about this. And this is very important, especially if you are trading in the stock market. You need to buy in the support and sell it in the resistance area. So you need to buy if there is a bullish pattern. If there is no bullish pattern, there's no way to buy. Wait if there is a bullish pattern, especially if the price will hitting the support line. So I hope you learned something. And before that, I will shout out to my nephew Eliza John ACAS Gloria and to Engineer Kenneth ACAS. Thank you for your support. And to the viewers today, I will shout out to all of you, and I'm very thankful. You are very supportive. To Chrisman Abulag, Golden Gary, thank you for your support. And Sister Dix's Life, thank you. And Bonji Texas Macas, thank you very much. To M. Stevie Barbosa, thank you for your support. And to Armanico Manuel, thank you very much. Okay, you're very bright, no? I learned something about your topic, no? Even me, I forget it, but I remember it again when I see it. I heard from your topic. Thank you very much. And to Chris Minabulag and M. Stevie. This is live. Thank you. So if you have comments and you want to know about the stock market, just put your comments in the comments box, and we will uh, discuss it. And thank you. And yes, Armanico Manuel, thank you. You need to, especially you are young, you need to learn about stock market. For if you master this one, this is the other ways, no, you have a financial freedom. Okay, so you need to master this, especially you are young, and you have a lot of times. There are many young generation now. We are engaging in the stock market, so this is the time you need to study, and then to gain knowledge and to prepare. You will start investing in the stock market. So, and also Chris Minabulag, no? You need to buy, you need to invest in the blue chip company, no? Yung mga matatag na company like Jollibee, you need to invest for long-term investing. This is for retirement, no? 60 years. Now, imagine we will see uh, Jollibee before, right? It's already 60 pesos per share, and now it's come to it reaches to 200 per share. So I will issue to you another one. I will share the example. We'll see. We'll try to see Jollibee. Let's try Jollibee again. I will show you the chart. Jollibee is a big company, no? So I will share it to you. Now it's in 179 pesos per share. So now you see the price, we discussed it. The price is breaking this horizontal support. So we'll zoom it, we'll see the previous price movement of Jollibee. See it, it's going up to 322. No? Just this year, the Jollibee is going down, especially. But if you buy it here, in this area, right here in see in the previous years, so see the price is very low. Okay. Last 2008, the price is only 37 pesos per share. So see 2007, 2006, 31 pesos per share. How much more in the 2005? It is only 26 pesos per share. Getting the 26 pesos per share and it reaches to 300 pesos per share, of course, a very big profit now for 5 years or 10 years ago. So this is the investment, no? Long-term investment. More than 5 years or 10 years, this is good. So that's all for today. Thank you and God bless us all always, no? Ingat po tayo palagi. Thank you.